Welcome to day 13 of DAX series in 2 minutes, and today we will learn how to use related and related table functions. I have two different tables, products and sales, which I have already imported, and the common column is product ID. There are some prerequisite which you must check before using related and related table functions. First, relationship must exist between these tables. So go to model view and you can see the relationship already exists. To use related, you must be in the many side table, and to use related table, you must be in the one side table. Related function must be used in calculated columns. These conditions would be more clear during example. Now go to table view, related function, pull a column from the one side table product into the many side table sales, and it is similar to VLOOKUP in Excel. So to use related, select the sales table and create a new column. Now type product name equals to related opening parenthesis and select product name column. Press enter. This will add a column in sales table showing the product name for each sale ID. Now related table function return the entire related many side table rows for a given row in the one side table. To use related table, select the products table and create a new column. Type total sales per product equals to sum x opening parenthesis related table and select sales table comma sale amount would be the expression. Closing parenthesis and press enter. This will add a column in product table showing the total sales of each product. So in this way you can use related and related table functions. In next video we will learn how to use if and switch statements. Stay tuned.